everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Makeup. This video will be a review slash swatches for this beautiful lip kit. It's liquid lipstick set. Okay, this is from Shein. It's called HANDAIYAN. I hope you can see it. Like, I got this from Shein and it has 6 colors, and I have all the swatches of the 6 colors in this video. It comes like later on, but just like this is the last color. Okay, so I'm gonna make a review about this and swatches at the end. So first of all, I'm gonna open it. So first, it's like having a magnet. The packaging is so beautiful. I really love it. I love the color and how this gradient, like a peachy color effect. And I'm gonna open it like this, and we have, okay, the last color is here. Okay, we have all the 6 colors in here. They don't have any names, just like from 1 to 6. So we're gonna make a swatches from starting from this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the color that I have on my lips right now after doing the swatches. And first of all, these lip creams or liquid lipstick is so light on your lips. Like, I feel I don't have anything over my lips. Like, it's this one is a little bit sticky, and that's bad. It's completely dry right now, but this one is a bit sticky, which is weird because the other especially the first two, I tried this one and this one before, but these 3 are completely new for me to do swatches right now. But I tried these 2 colors and this one right here. So from my usage a couple of times, it's really lightweight on your lips. You feel nothing on your lips. The colors are intense. Some of them I just used 1 swatch, and some of them use about 2 swatches. Dip in the wand inside the tube itself to have the color. And they're not patchy. I didn't see any patchiness applying it. The color is so beautiful, as you can see. It's so nice, but this no, it's not as was about to dry. It didn't dry before, so now it's not as sticky as it was. I think it's become a little bit sticky when it's in a drying process, but now it's completely dry. I didn't experience that before for the one that I used, but it's not sticky anymore. I guess it's good because it's completely dry and doesn't have any transfer at all. Just maybe a little bit, but I don't think so. No, it doesn't have any transfer at all. So it doesn't transfer, very lightweight. The color payout is so beautiful, so intense, as you're gonna see in the swatches, but it doesn't last that long. So it can last for a couple of hours. You can reapply if you drink or eat anything. You need to reapply because it will wear off. It's not a long wear. There is anything say that this one is longer. It's not like Maybelline Superstay. We're not gonna compare the both of them, but it's really nice, really completely matte. When it dries, you can feel anything on your lips. There's nothing. You can apply a lip gloss over to intensify the color or add this lovely gloss effect, or you can leave it matte as it is, just as you like. So for me, I really love it. It's for beginners, it's kind of handy. And having different 6 colors, different shades. They are more to the strong colors. So if you love the light colors, this one is not for you. And you're gonna see in the swatches, even this light one, this one here, it's not light. It's kind of in the middle. Not too light, not too dark. It's in the middle, but from here down, all dark colors. This color is weird. When I apply it, it's so weird. And I'm sorry for the application of some of the colors because I'm just redoing the process over my lips. My lip feels a little bit sore now, so sometimes I feel like I can't see, I can't do it. So never mind. It's all about the swatches, not the application, right? Yes. So this is it. I really love it and really recommend it if you're a beginner or you want some on-the-go colors to have. It's very beautiful, really beautiful. yeah, it's a good one. So and now I'm gonna leave you with the swatches to see the 6 colors on my lips and compare my lips to the tube itself, so you can see the difference, if there's any difference. Actually, it was no difference, but you're gonna see by yourself, and I'm gonna see you at the end. I hope you like and enjoy.
First time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, first time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of envy could do to you. Yeah, I took away you, but I like us better when we're sober. Party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. Yeah, I like you better when I'm sober. Party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. First time that we danced, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, last time that we loved, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of envy could do to you. Yeah, I took away you, but I like us better when we're sober. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. Yeah, I like you better when I'm sober. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. La 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 la. 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 Been a long time, babe. New city, new phase, new plans. We both said give it space. Let it breathe, let it grow in our hearts. Late nights thinking of your laugh. Scroll gallery to put down my phone. We both out here on the path, still saving us for when I'm coming home. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. Slow talk, the hands on my skin. Maybe end up as lovers that start out as friends. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. If the vibe still feels like it did back then, we can end up as lovers that start out as friends. Oh, you are busy, I am too. New job, new glow is how we do. I've been building up a dream, but you're still running through my mind. We made a little promise, same time, same place. One day, if we still honest, still modest, we can laugh and let our bodies say. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. Slow talk, the hands on my skin. Maybe end up as lovers that start out as friends. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. If the vibe still feels like it did back then, we can end up as lovers that start out as friends. Oh, first we talk till the sun comes up, till we touch, let our walls fall down. If your heart still knows where my heart from, we can write a new story right now. Right now. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. Slow talk, the hands on my skin. Maybe end up as lovers that start out as friends. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. If the vibe still feels like it did back then, we can end up as lovers that start out as friends. Oh. red sky, golden road, sunset on the coast, two lovers alone, her perfume a whisper, sweet summer wind, it lingers all on my lips, and I just I wish I kissed her more. Oh, 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 I wish I kissed her more. Oh, 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 I wish I kissed her more. Oh, 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 I wish I kissed her more. 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 Wish I kissed her more. Wish I kissed her more. Oh, more. I wish I kissed her more. Oh, more. Oh, I wish I kissed her more. Oh, more.
So basically this is it. I really hope you like this video and it was helpful, and tell me in the comment section down below if you like the swatches, if you like the color of this beautiful set. Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any recommendation for a lipstick set from Shein or any other brand, that would be nice. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to do the video for you if it's affordable at this moment. So I love you so much guys, and of course as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.